Welcome to this video. In this video I'm gonna talk about the four principles of object-oriented programming. So first up is encapsulation. So encapsulation means bundling data and methods that work on that data into a single unit. So usually class siya na nire-restrict niya yung mga direct access to some of the object's components. So makita natin dito sa sample, may class tayo na player. So yung player ay in-encapsulate niya yung mga data, which is yung name, score level, and difficulty, and even whether they are disqualified. So may data siya. So below that, may method tayo na increase score for the data score for the score data of the player, na dun siya magpa-plus o magi-increase o magi-increment. So para hindi na magalaw yung data na in-encapsulate natin from the constructor of the player class. So gumawa tayo ng method para dun siya mag-increase ng score, para kung tatawagan natin siya sa class na related o magagamit siya, ay tatawagan na lang natin yung method itself of this class, player class. So that's the encapsulation. Next, let's talk about inheritance. So inheritance is a way to create new classes based on existing ones. So nire-reuse natin yung mga common logic ng particular class or yung parent class or yung base class sa mga child classes na kailangan yung common logic na ma-reuse nila. So makita natin dito sa picture, sa sample, na may may class tayo na question generator, and may another 5 classes tayo na easy, medium hard, and very hard and expert question generator na in-inherit niya yung base class, which is yung parent class na in-inherit ng 5 child classes na makikita natin. So to elaborate, yung each subclasses ay in-inherits na yung question generator na merong generate questions. So yung generate questions ay naka-abstract method siya prior to abstraction. So let's talk about this later, the abstraction. So in-inherit na yung common logic, which is yung generate question sa mga child classes, which is yung 5 child class. So that's the inheritance. So next, abstraction. So abstraction is ito yung hiding the complexity and only exposing what's necessary. So tinatago natin yung mga unnecessary codes o yung unnecessary way process na hindi naman natin kailangan i-reveal para to avoid complexity of the code. So makita natin dito sa sample natin na may question generator tayo na may argument siya na ABC, which is abstract base class, kasi abstract base class siya na may method sa baba niya na generate questions, which is nakapas lang kasi hindi natin siya ini-implement dyan, kundi ini-implement natin siya sa mga classes na kinontrata natin para i-implement. So makikita natin sa baba, dun na natin in-implement sa, for example, sa easy question generator, dun na na-implement o tinawag yung generate questions at nagkaroon siya ng behavior. Although magkakaiba kasi prior to polymorphism na nag-overriding siya. So that's the abstraction. So finally, polymorphism. So polymorphism has the ability to treat different objects through a common interface. So meron tayong sa sample natin, meron tayong question generator is equal to self.difficulty generator map. So may map siya na may list siya na player that difficulty, which is yung player class siya, and the difficulty is the data of the player class. So nangyayari yung polymorphism when this class calls, or this function calls the generate question, which is the method na nandun yung mga question generator, which is the easy, medium hard, very hard, and expert. So tinatawag ng polymorphism, o tinatawag siya, the polymorphism, tinatawag yung mga classes, although different sila, pero tinatawag sila as the same purpose. So purpose nila to generate question, but they have a different behavior or different content from each other. So that's polymorphism. So that's all for the principle of object-oriented programming. Thank you for listening.